Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm obsessed with this hair. But if you want to know how I got this makeup look, cut creases took me out. I haven't done a cut crease in so long. Plus my cut crease brush fell apart, so I'm on a hunt for a new brush. But I did my best and I think it's very, very pretty. I just have to keep doing them over and over and over to get back into my groove. But if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome. So I'm using P. Louise base in 01 just to make sure that my eyeshadows pop. We're using a P82 Sigma round precision brush just to blend it all out. Now I'm taking this M461 brush with some neutral set just to set my lids. I'm going to go in with the 253 brush from P. Louise and I'm going to use this blush palette from Juvia's Place. Now I'm using a 297 P. Louise brush with this color just to blend the crease out. Now I'm going back in with the 253 brush just to make sure that my crease color is not lost. Now I'm going in with the Morphe M518 just to blend in that orange color in the crease. It's so pretty. Now I'm going in with a P. Louise 271 and I'm going to add this black from the Nude Persuasion palette. Right here, I'm taking a makeup wipe and a tweezer and I'm using the back of the tweezer just to create my cut crease. Yeah, you can do this with Vaseline or whatever you want just to clean it off the lid, but I find that this is the easiest way for me. Now I'm taking my favorite blank canvas and I'm going to sculpt out my cut crease. I'm going to leave it in real time. I don't want to speed it up. I want you guys to definitely see like how hard it is to do a cut crease. It's not easy, especially for me now that I'm a little rusty, but hey. So right here I went too high, so I'm just trying to cut down the crease with the first color. The left one was so perfect and the right one was just getting on my last nerve, so we're going to reblend and then we're going to recut. It goes like that sometimes. So I just want to keep that on camera to let you guys know that it's a process and you have to trust it, and sometimes you have to start over and sometimes you have to fix things. When it comes to the actual cut crease, I go in the same order like I do in my crease. So I'll do the first color, the second color, the third color, and then the lid color is usually something different that's not in the crease. So yeah, just to keep it super simple, that's what I did. This is the Juvia's Place 005 brush and I use the champagne color on the lid. And once that's done, I go back in with each color and I reblend them all so everything looks cohesive. And we're going to follow the same exact steps for the other eye. You know I love a defined crease, so of course I had to go in with that first color. And then of course we're adding black from that Nude Persuasion palette. Now I'm going in with my favorite eyeliner of all time, the Sephora Collection eyeliner. And I'm just going to create a simple wing. Now I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue. I used to use lash glue, but this is so much better. So we're going to pat it in place and then we're going to go in with this pigment. It's called Print from Peaches and Cream. I feel like it just makes the lid pop. Now I'm going in with Fair Neutral, very light, Tarte Shape Tape, you already know. Then I'm going to go in with Tan Sand just to help that all blend in. Now I'm going in with my foundation stick from Juvia's Place in the color Dominica, and yes, I use a lot of it, but hey, I like full coverage. And I always go in with my Milani spray just before I start to blend. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation stick from Black Opal in the color O Chocolate. Now I'm using the Morphe M446 to blend out my foundation. I actually love this brush. I've been loving blending out my concealer, especially my under eye concealer with this puff. Like whoever came up with this idea, God bless you. Like it just makes everything so smooth. Plus with the skincare, like please, I just love it. I'm just blending out my nose contour with the Morphe M434. Now I'm using the Morphe E48 brush to apply my contour. And I go over my contour with my foundation brush just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Now we're going back under the eyes with the puff just to blend it out. I let the concealer sit so I have a more full coverage look under the eyes. Now I'm going to set under the eyes with the Ben 9 Neutral Set. I'm going to push this powder all the way in. I'm not baking with this powder. I mean, I have in the past, but today I didn't do that. I even set my cream contour with that powder. I love that powder. It's so smooth. And as you can see, I play no games when it comes to setting my face, especially with creams, because creams move and you are alive. So it will warm up the product and it will really slip and slide. And you don't want that on your face. Now I'm going in with Morphe setting powder in number 10, but it's discontinued. Now it's time to bake. I am using Sacha Buttercup. If I'm not using my Laura Mercier or my Ben Nye Banana, she is the next best thing. Now it's time to sculpt out the face. I'm using a Morphe M4 brush with Coco Naughty from Fenty, and I'm obsessed. Now I'm using Dark Time Mineralized Skin Finish to soften the contour and to contour my nose. Now I'm using Sedona Lace FB03 just to apply my blush. Now I'm using Fenty Pro Filter Powder in 310 on a F3 brush from P. Louise. That was a mouthful. Now I'm going to drench my face with Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Ooh, now we almost done with the look. So I'm going to take Bittersweet Pro Longwear Lip Liner from MAC. Yes, it is discontinued. It's annoying for me too. Can't even begin. Now I'm taking Supernatural Doses of Colors Liquid Lipstick. Now I'm going in with Fair Neutral CoverGirl Concealer. You know me, just to add a little pop. NYX lip liner in dark brown. And we're going to take Peachy Peter from the MAC Times Patrick Star collection. We're going to take Princess Cut Clear Gloss. We're going to pop that on the liner. And, ooh, of course, we're going to do our lashes, but you don't need any explanation for that. This is MAC Stack. Why did they even, you know what? Anyway, I had too much pigment fall out on my natural lashes and they were not blending with the falsies. We're going to touch up under the eyes with a little bit more of that Fenty powder just to make sure everything is seamless. I'm going to drench my face again, this time with the continuous setting spray from Morphe. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. I make mistakes. Hey, I had to fix the cut crease, but baby, she's sitting. I love this look, and I have to do more just so I can get back into the swing of things. I have not done cut creases in a long time. I used to do them all the time, and then I put the skill down, and now I'm trying to pick her back up. So yeah, more cut crease tutorials to come. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in my next video.